Welcome to Chef Crown, where you'll learn the best tricks and tips. Today, we'll delve into
Ever had your food stick to a cast iron pan? It's so frustrating, right? Well, you're probably making one huge mistake without even realizing it. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Stick around and I'll show you how to fix it and turn your pan into the ultimate non-stick cooking tool. Okay, let's talk about what's going wrong. The number one mistake people make is not seasoning their cast iron pan properly, or skipping it altogether. Without that protective layer of oil, food sticks like glue, and you end up scrubbing for hours. Worse, you might even damage your pan. Don't feel bad though. Most people don't realize how important seasoning is, but fixing it is way easier than you think. Quick reminder. If you're loving these tips, grab our free Chef's Knife Guide, 20 famous chefs and their must-have knives. It's packed with tools and pro advice to elevate your cooking. Get it now at chefcrown.com/knives. First things first, clean your pan. You can use a little soap, despite the old myth that you shouldn't. Just keep it gentle and grab a sponge or soft scrubber. Skip the harsh metal tools unless you want scratches. Get off any old food or burnt bits so you have a clean surface to work with. Next, make sure the pan is completely dry. Water and cast iron? They're not friends. A pro tip, put the pan on low heat for a few minutes. That'll dry it out fast and prep it for the seasoning process. Now for the magic step. Seasoning. Grab some oil. Flaxseed oil is amazing, but vegetable oil works too. Apply a thin layer all over the pan, even the handle and bottom. No need to drown it in oil, a little goes a long way. Then, heat the pan to bond the oil. If you've got an oven, place it upside down at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour. No oven? No problem. Use the stovetop. Repeat this 2 or 3 times and your pan will look brand new. All right, you've got your pan seasoned, but how do you keep it that way? Use it often. Cooking actually helps build the seasoning. Be gentle when cleaning. Use mild soap or just hot water. And no soaking. Avoid cooking acidic foods like tomatoes too often. They can strip your seasoning. After every wash, dry your pan and rub on a light coat of oil. This simple habit keeps it protected and non-stick for years to come. Now, let's see all that work in action. Look at this. Fried egg, no sticking, and no mess. It slides out perfectly every time. This is what a well-seasoned cast iron pan can do. No chemicals, no nonsense, just good old-fashioned cast iron magic. So, avoid the big mistake. Season your pan right and never deal with stuck food again. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite cast iron recipe? Oh, and don't miss this next video for even more cast iron hacks. See you there!
Thanks for watching. Want more knife inspiration? Download your free guide, 20 famous chefs and their must-have knives, using the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more sharp insights. See you next time.